Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lot of hauls related to makeup, skincare, footwear, accessories, you name it, and mostly I have it. And under review section I do have lot of reviews for skincare, makeup, as well as some of the comparison videos also. Alright, and if this is what you are looking out for, then yes, you are at the right place. Please do consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, then definitely you can follow me on Facebook as well as on Instagram. The links of the same will also be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. Now from the thumbnail, from the title itself, you all must have got a little bit of idea regarding today's video. Today we are going to discuss about Kush and Lashes color pots. Now what do you mean by color pots? How they are, which shades they are like available, in which shade basically they are available, what are the charges, like what are the cost of that particular pots, how many grams you do get, each and everything we are going to discuss today in this video. Alright, and if you don't see anything on my face, yes, I'm barefaced, I don't have anything on my face, just because today I want to review this particular color pots. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take few of the product, like whichever shade, because I am not aware which shade is going to suit me and all. So I will be taking one of the cover pot and I will be applying on my face, whichever color will be closest match. Okay, so I'll be applying it on my face and then I'll come up with the full face of makeup, and then I can give you my opinion on this particular product. Now first we will talk about the products. It is the Kush and Lashes by Nidhi Katiyar. You all must be aware Nidhi Katiyar is a beauty blogger. She has her own YouTube channel and she has the own brand by the name of Kush and Lashes. If you all are not aware, but mostly you all must be aware, but still. Okay, and they have come up with new cover pots, that is covering the face. Okay, it comes in this kind of, you can see this is the front packaging. Okay, it is like Kush and Lashes is written over here. Cover pots, it is like makeup base concealer, that is what is written. The shade name is given on the top. You can say it is like Kush and Lashes cover pots, that is what written over here. You can see a tag with the sticker of the shade number and the shade name. Alright, over here you can see the same thing. When you just turn the box, that is the outer packaging, this is basically the outer packaging. Here you can see the ingredients are given, made in India is given, everything is given over here, what all it contains and like each and everything. Alright, they have given their customer care number also as well as the email address. You all can check. Each and everything is given. Okay, so this is like, and on the back side there is a lady drawn the picture, and an effective what is like exactly how you can use this product, and everything is given over here. Okay, when you just turn the packaging, on the bottom you all can see the MRP, you all can see the batch number, manufacturing as well as the expiry. Right, the MRP of this product is 225 rupees and the net content is you get is 14 grams. 225 rupees for each pot, and definitely when you buy in bulk, that is if you buy 2, then the price will be reduced. If you buy 4, then again the price will be reduced. If you buy 6 or more, then again the price will be reduced. It goes that way. Okay, under this particular cover pots they have total 18 shades, 15 out of which 15 shades you can use it as foundation, concealer, contouring as well as your eye base makeup, wherever. Okay, and the 3 shades, balanced 3 shades are color corrector, that is orange, lavender and I guess green. Yeah, that is what the last 3 characters are there. So basically 15 plus 3, total altogether 18 shades. Alright, this is what the outer packaging as I've told you, and this is what the inner packaging looks like. It comes in a small pot, jar kind of. It has a lid which has a stud over here, a diamond stud. Okay, the black cap. Okay, you just have to open the cap and it comes in this kind of a pot. And you can see here is the product. Total product is 14 gram as I've told you, and when you just check it on the bottom of, that is on the back side, the bottom of the jar, they do have the shade name. It's written the shade number, Kafshan Lashes, cover pots, and manufacturing expiry and a net weight is given over here, as well as the customer care number. That is what is sticked, that is the sticker given over here. The shade number is given, I'm sorry I told you shade name, I'm sorry, the shade number is given. Okay, you all can see shade number 8. Out of 15, basically I have 2 shades, shade number 8 and shade number 9. Right, I have 2 shades. This is shade number 08 and this is the shade number 09. Right, the shelf life basically over here given is for 3 years. It is like manufactured in August, September, and it is going to expire in July 23. So basically shelf life what you are going to get is for 3 years. Okay, now what I have makeup from, like I have made out from this particular pot is like you have to keep it shut, otherwise it may dry up, because since it is a cover pot, okay, it is like in a pot kind of, it is not a stick or it is not liquid. So definitely whenever you use it, after using it, you just immediately have to shut it, close it properly, otherwise it may dry up. So these are basically the 2 pots which I have. Now what I'll do is I've just taken out my phone. I just read some of the information what is given on the Kafshan Lashes. You all can see Kafshan Lashes website. I just read out few of the description what they want to say about this product, and then we will see. Kafshan Lashes cover pots are effective and long lasting special makeup base for concealing discoloration, scars and even tattoo marks. This can be used as foundation, concealer, color correction, cut crease, eye primer and contouring. Kafshan Lashes color pots are available in 18 shades, which includes 15 complexion shades and 3 corrector shades, as I've told you. Okay, these are waterproof, transfer proof and suits all skin types. Get full coverage with the cover pots that would last all day long. Manufactured, expiry, as well as the ingredients, net weight 14 grams. This is what they want to say for this particular cover pots. Okay, and like when you check the website, they have given over here, I think you can see they have given you all the shades, like over here you all can see the shades and all. I will not read out the shade names because definitely you can go to like Kafshan Lashes own website and you can definitely make out the color name. But I can just tell you what I have. I have 08, okay, and 09. And as per them, what is the 08? One is almond and one is, one second, I'll just tell you. Yeah, warm sand 08 and almond is 09. Yeah, warm sand 08, warm sand and almond 09. So what I'll do is I'll just swatch both the shades here. Then first I'll like swatch on my hand. Then I'll swatch on my face. After some time we will see whether these are getting oxidized or no. Okay, so that you will have some idea. First I'll swatch 08. This is what the consistency is of the pot, and like when you take it in your hand it looks like this. Alright, so what I'll do is first I'll swatch it on my hand, both the shades. This is, I'll swatch on my face as well, 08. I'll just close it, otherwise it may dry up, and I'll swatch it here. This is 08. Then I will tell you with which particular shade I have done my full face of makeup. I just apply in front of you only. This is 09, you all can see. 09. Right? I'll take it with my other finger. I just swatch a little bit on my hand. Okay, and I'll swatch it on my face as well. See, this is 08. This is the first one is 08, the second one is 09. So as per my guessing, I guess 09. I think I can go for 09 because I feel 08 is giving me a little bit of peachy undertone, but what undertone I have is a golden undertone. So this is giving me more undertone, like more golden undertone vibe. So I think I will use 09 on my full face. So what I'll do is, I just keep this watch as it is. I just take the, I'll just apply with my fingers and I'll use it with the beauty blender, because that is what normally I use my foundation as. I generally use my foundation with my beauty blender. That is, I apply with the beauty blender only. So what I'll do is, I'll take the foundations. I'll just apply the foundation with the blender and then I'll go and I'll do the full face of makeup. I'll just show you, because otherwise you may think like what I have done and all. This is one layer of the foundation or of the cover pot. You all can see this is the one layer. Now what I'll do is, I'll just apply the full face of makeup and then I'll tell you how the makeup is applying, and then just we will see the phone test as well. The phone test, we will see the oxidization test also. Phone test, because they said it is transfer proof. So I'll just keep my phone on my head here and then we will check. Alright, I'll just come up with the full face of makeup. Yeah, now I'm back. I have applied full face of makeup. Okay, like I don't do much makeup, but for the cheeks I have used this tint. For my foundation I have used 09 shade, as I've told you, almond. I have used that shade, and for primer I have used this Lakme Absolute primer that was already applied. For the compact, for setting the face and all, I have used this NELF compact. For mascara I have used Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. For my eyebrows, which I had already done, was like this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. To set my face I have used my Wet n Wild natural finish makeup setting spray. This is what I have used on my face. Right now what we will check is, I have already swatches on my hand. We will just swatch below this the fresh one. Okay, the 08. I'll show you which one is the new. I'll take my first finger. I'll take, you all can see this is the earlier swatch, this is the recent. I'll just swatch 09 and then I'll show you again. This is 09. I'll show you both the swatches so that you will have an idea whether it is oxidizing and no. We just have some idea. Of course we cannot say 100%, because foundation basically reacts differently on different skin tones. These are the earlier swatches, the bottom one, and the top one are the recent swatches. This bottom one are the earlier and the top one are the recent one. So as per my conclusion, that is my observation, it is not oxidizing on my skin, not at all. So definitely for oxidization part, I must say yes, but do keep in mind I have dry skin. So I do not have much oil segregation or anything on my face. That is why I can say that. Now the second test what we have to do is the phone test. 1 second. This is the phone right now. Okay, y'all can see it's nothing is there on the screen. I'll just off the screen. Y'all can see nothing is there. I'll just keep the phone on my ears and then we will check. Generally, this is what we this is in which way we talk on the phone, right? No transfer. Okay, so definitely for transfer also this passes. We will just check with our hand. These are my blank hand. I don't have anything. I'll just rub a little. No, I don't think I can see much transfer. No, the makeup is intact. Okay, so transfer also a yay. and when I applied setting spray, I could not see like anything spreading or anything. For like even that also, for waterproof, or like for that also I can say it is yay. So definitely I think I have covered each and every point. The shade, okay, I'll tell you reference shades. In MAC I use a 43.5. In Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation I use 43.5. NC 43.5. Okay, in Maybelline Superstay I use 310. Okay, in Maybelline Fit Me I use 332. Okay, in Wet n Wild I use Desert Beige. And if you want any other shade match, you can definitely you can ask me in the comment section. I will be replying you, because if I'll give you all the names, then the video will be for around half an hour long, and I don't want you all to wait till that. Okay, so I have covered basically each and every point, but still if you have anything to ask me, how I ordered and all, for that I'll make a separate video in like within how much time and all I got the delivery and everything. I'll make a separate video. I won't include anything in today's video. Anything, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and do let me know what kind of videos you would like to see from my end. Yeah, that is all for today's video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.